To conduct supervision, we can look at a model which is described as the 7 C's model of supervision. Let's look at each of these 7 C's in turn. The first C as an approach to supervision is called conversations. Within a question-based approach to supervision, conversations imply that language and conversation is the working tool for reflection. Effective conversations can create new understandings, both for the focus person and for the supervisor. It's a way of understanding, unpacking reality and getting much more clarity about the components of reality, and thinking and rethinking, constructing and reconstructing the experiences in order to make sense of them. The second C of supervision is curiosity. It's important as part of this process that both the supervisor and the focus person are using the process as a way to develop an interest, a curiosity about teaching and learning, the experiences that the students are having, the experience that the teacher and other teachers are having within that school, in a way to create a story, a narrative which describes the whole process. It's therefore about paying close attention to detail and looking at that detail, and there may be components of this which are more physical rather than verbal, and this aspect of the approach to supervision is useful because it's very holistic. The third C in supervision is the context. The reflective practitioner is working in a particular environment, and therefore both the supervisor and the reflective practitioner should understand the networks and the culture around that particular environment. What are the beliefs, the faith in teaching, the understanding of the community, the cohesiveness of the community? All of these can play a significant part in unpacking the experience. The fourth part of this C is about having interest in the interactions, enjoying the process of supervision and benefiting from that process in a very personal way by exploring these stories. The fifth C of this process of supervision is called creativity. Part of the cycle of supervision must lead to some exploration of how things can be changed, and this may need both the focus person and the supervisor to explore jointly different ways of dealing with things, perhaps innovating and looking very creatively around solutions to problems. The sixth C is caution. Looking for cues from teaching involves working at a level which is very challenging for the focus person. And so in order to conduct effective supervision, it's important that there's a lot of care taken so that the level of challenge is not too much. The challenge should be there, but too much challenge actually becomes stress. And then the final C of supervision is care. This encompasses the idea of respectfulness and consideration of the process and of the person, the reflective practitioner that the supervision is around. Therefore, the whole supervision cycle, and certainly the work of the supervisor, needs to be conducted in a way which is very ethical and considerate and understanding of confidentiality.